Hey, to connect Nothing Ear 1 with your iPhone, first of all you have to input both earbuds inside the charging case. And now you will have to open this case, locate this button, and click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking white, just like this. Now we can release this button, and you have to go into the Bluetooth settings. So open settings, open the Bluetooth and tap on the switcher to activate this, and select Nothing Ear 1 from other devices list. Now we have to just click on them, wait for the connection. As you can see, now we are successfully connected, and additionally you can also get the Nothing application from the App Store. So click here, input the Nothing phrase. This is actually this application, the Nothing X, that we have to download on our iPhone. So we have to wait for this downloading process. It will actually take around a few moments. Now we can open it. We have to accept these permissions, click Start. Now we can actually get the improvement program, but you don't have to click to join now, you can just tap later. Now we have to allow Bluetooth access. Click on it another time. And now your application and your iPhone is looking for the nearby Nothing Ear 1. And once you find them, just click on them here. You can click to set up this device. And as you can see from this, we can find some gestures. And to finish, we have to click That's All. And as you can see right now, it is finished. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel.